And we're going to use the Scroll Digital Zoom tonight. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Recently, I put out a video. We looked at all the different modes that the Zoom was available in. Well, today we got part 2, and you're going to see me demonstrate Zoom with the scroll wheel, and we're also going to take a look at the firmware update for sport mode to see if props are in the shots. So without any further ado, let's roll this clip in its entirety.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It is just a perfect night tonight. Muggy, but it's very nice. Let's get recording started here. Now we're in 1080p. Get it up to about 100 feet. And right at 100 feet. All right. Let's go ahead. We're going to try this scroll zoom here. Okay, this is incredible here, guys. Look at this. This is just incredible. Look at that. We're going to do it in reverse here. Wowzer. This is my good friend Mikey says, wowzer. All right, look at that sun. So we're gonna head over towards the sun here. Head over this corner of the lake, and then we're going to try it in reverse. We're going to take some zooms the other way. Look at that. That is just very picturesque over there, folks. Very beautiful. Okay, now let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and I want to do some more scrolling here with that. Let's look over here at the corner of the lake. We're going to zoom over the corner of the lake. This is just absolutely incredible here, guys. Wowzer. Wow. We'll reverse it here. It's so smooth too. Let's go ahead over there. It is just a picture-perfect evening tonight here. Muggy, but not too warm, so it's not too uncomfortable. Okay, we're almost at the edge of the lake. We're going to get all the way there. We're there. And let's go ahead and we're going to rotate over this way. See where the house is. All right, we're going to do the school. We're going to do the zoom in on where our house is. That is just absolutely incredible here, folks. Absolutely incredible. I'll take back. I'm going to hit it into sport mode, okay? And we should not get any props in the shot, so let's go ahead and get it cranked up here. 39, 40 miles an hour. 39.9. Absolutely incredible here. And I can hear it at 500 feet out. That was incredible here. Okay, we're going to take it. We still got a little bit more juice left at 36%. We're going to do a sport mode down to the other end of the lake. And look at that sunset. Look at that. That sunset's just absolutely gorgeous. Although I gotta say the one thing again, the low light on the sensor here is not as good as the Mavic 2 Pro. I'll definitely come out and say that. Let's go ahead and get to the corner of the lake there. We are there. All right, let's go ahead, and then we're going to do a zoom of the house again. I think we're there. The function button. Guys, this is just incredible. Absolutely incredible what you can do with this. All right, we're going to do a return to home here.
Go home.
Like I said, this evening is just picture perfect. Temperature's good. It's a little muggy, but other than that, it's very acceptable. My dog hears something. Uh-oh. Could it be? Aha! She probably hears the Mavic Air too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Intruder alert. There she is.
Landing.
You can see her as we're doing a precision landing here. Wave high to the camera, DOG. This will not be the last time that she'll be in a video, but there she is. Just chilling out in the yard at night. And here we come in for a wonderful precision landing there. Doesn't get too much better than that, guys. And I'm not recording on the Osmo Action, so you'll see. All right, this concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been advised where to tune in your area for news and official information. This concludes this test. As you can tell, zoom feature with the scroll wheel is absolutely incredible. And as you could also see, in sport mode, the props don't even come in the shots. Question of the day: what do you think of the Mavic 2 Air zoom with the scroll wheel? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.